Hey guys, it's Jane. Welcome back to my channel. Our lesson for today is about Gakko no kanji, any kanji that is related to school. Our first kanji for today is Manabu no mana. Only mana is written in this kanji and then bu is written in hiragana. Manabu means to learn and its onyomi is gaku. So this kanji again are all related to school. The example that I have for you for this kanji are gakko. Gakko means school. So this is the gaku, and then the ko is our next kanji. Gakko again means school, and then the other example is manabu no mana. Again, manabu means to learn. This is how you write gaku or manabu no mana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is just a small ko inside. 6, 7, and then 8. This is again gaku or manabu no mana. The next kanji for today's lesson doesn't have a kunyomi. It only has onyomi, which is ko. And then this is our second kanji. The examples that I have for you are, let's include gakko. Again, gakko means school. And the other example is kocho. Kocho. This is ko. This is cho. Actually, this is also the kanji for nagai. Only naga has this kanji, and then I is written in hiragana. Nagai means long. So when you see nagai no kanji plus ko no kanji, it's kocho. Kocho means school principal. The other example that I have for you is kogai. Kogai. Let's check the kanji. So this kanji is ko, and then this is gai, but the other reading for this is soto. Soto, which means out or outside. Kogai. So when you say kogai, it means out of school or out of campus or off campus. Okay, so this is how you rewrite ko. So first, we write on the first and third quadrant since they're kind of like two kanji together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 strokes for this kanji. Okay, so we are done with our first and second. Now let's go to our third kanji. Its onyomi is mei and also myo, and its konyomi is na. Na. Namai no na. The examples that I have for you for this kanji is this, myoji. Myoji means last name. So again, this is na. When you partner this with ji no kanji no ji, it's now myoji, which means surname or last name. This kanji is from kanji no ji. This one, kanji no ji dake ga kono kanji desu ne. And the other example that I have for you is nafuda. Nafuda is only the na is written in this kanji, and then fuda is written in hiragana, which means name card or name plate. So this is how we write na. 1, 2, 3, and then there is just a small kuchi or mouth. 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strokes for this kanji. Our fourth kanji is this. Its konyomi is toshi. Toshi means year, and then its onyomi is nen. Toshi or nen. The examples that I have for you for this kanji are hantoshi. This han means half, and then toshi means year. So the meaning of hantoshi is 6 months or half a year. The other one that I have for you is gaku nen. When you see gaku plus nen, toshi becomes nen. Gaku nen, which means grade level. This is how we write toshi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is toshi or nen. Please be reminded that the middle line should not be over the first horizontal line. Okay, so our next kanji is this kanji. Its kunyomi is saki, which means previous, and its onyomi is sen. The examples that I have for you for our fifth kanji is sensei. Sensei means teacher. Jane Sensei. Here in Japan, they call me Jane Sensei or Teacher Jane. And the other example that I have for you is sento. Sento. This is saki no kanji or means previous, and then this kanji means atama. This is the kanji for atama or head. So the meaning of this kanji is the lead or the head of, let's say, of a group. Sento. For example, there are leaders or lines and you want to know who is the head of the group. Sento wa dari desu ka? Okay, so that is how we use sento in a sentence. Okay, so this is how we write saki or sen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Sen or saki. Our last kanji is this one. Its kunyomi is ikiru no I dake ga kono kanji desu ne. It means to live. And then the other one is umu. Only the u is written in this kanji. And its konyomi are sei and sho. Sei and sho. The examples that I have for you are ikiru. Again, only the I is written in this kanji, and it means to live. And the other one, the last example that I have for you is this kanji. This one is the kanji for ichi, means one. And then this one is life. When you see ichi and then ikiru no I together, when you read it, it's isho. Isho. Since this is double S, it's isho. Isho, which means a lifetime. So guys, we are done with our 6 kanji for today. I hope you are learning a lot from my videos. If you wanna pass JLPT N4, all you have to do is to have a wide range of Japanese vocabulary. So that's all for today, and see you on my next one. Goodbye!